Choosing the right inverter welder isn't always easy. Unstable arcs, overheating issues, limited features, and bulky machines can slow down your work. That's where modern inverter welders make a difference. They're compact, energy efficient, and deliver smooth, stable performance for both beginners and professionals. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best inverter welders you can buy. Reliable, powerful, and perfect for home projects, workshops, or professional jobs. We analyzed product specs and real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Number 5. 2-in-1 MIG and MMA Multipurpose IGBT Inverter Welder. This 2-in-1 MIG and MMA inverter welder offers excellent versatility for different welding needs. It supports both carbon dioxide gas-shielded MIG welding and manual arc welding, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Built with IGBT inverter technology, it ensures stable arc performance and efficient power usage. The compact design makes it easy to carry, while the user-friendly controls help beginners get started quickly. Whether you're working on home repairs or light fabrication, this welder delivers consistent results with solid performance.
Number 4. HITBOX HBT 250P AC/DC TIG Inverter Welder. The HITBOX HBT 250P is a powerful AC/DC TIG welding machine designed especially for aluminum and precision work. It features advanced IGBT inverter technology, along with 2T, 4T modes and high-frequency start for smooth operation. The digital pulse control allows precise adjustments, making it ideal for professional-level welding. It also supports MMA arc welding, adding extra versatility. With stable output and clean weld results, this machine is perfect for detailed projects where accuracy and control are essential.
Number 3. DEKO MMA Series 160-200A DC Inverter Welder. The DEKO MMA Series welder is a lightweight and efficient solution for everyday welding tasks. Available in 160A and 200A options, it uses IGBT technology to provide stable current and reliable performance. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and store, while the simple interface is perfect for beginners. Despite its small size, it delivers strong arc performance for home repairs, maintenance, and small workshop jobs. If you need an affordable and dependable welder, this model is a solid choice.
Number 2. HZXVOGEN HVM 140 3-in-1 MIG, MMA, and Lift TIG Welder. It also offers gasless MIG capability, making it ideal for outdoor or portable use. The built-in synergy control helps automatically adjust settings for better performance, especially for beginners. With IGBT inverter technology, it ensures efficient power usage and stable arcs. Compact yet powerful, this welder is perfect for DIY users and professionals who want flexibility in one machine.
Number 1. Rddspon Inverter Welding Machine with Digital Display. The Rddspon Inverter Welder takes the top spot with its powerful 20 to 300 amp output range and user-friendly digital display. It delivers strong, stable arc performance, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty welding tasks. The adjustable current control allows precise operation, while its compact build ensures easy portability. Designed for efficiency and durability, it can handle thicker materials up to 6 mm with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this machine offers excellent performance and great value.
If you want efficiency, portability, and reliable performance, inverter welders are the way to go. These top 5 models offer great features for different needs, whether you're a beginner, DIY user, or professional. From compact designs to multifunction machines, there's something for everyone. Which one fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.